Good evening, everyone. Today we are going to see two classical mechanics problem. The first problem it is here. The dispersion relation for an electromagnetic wave in a certain medium is given by omega cube is equal to a k square plus c, where a and c are constant. Omega is the frequency and k is the magnitude of the propagation vector. The velocity of the energy propagation, what it is. So energy will propagate. If you want to calculate the energy propagation speed, we want to do the group velocity of for this dispersion relation. Then we know at what velocity the wave is carrying that energy. So first, for this problem, what we want to do, just we have to write the dispersion relation. That is the given dispersion relation omega cube is equal to a k square plus c. So this is a given dispersion relation. Now we want to find the what is the group velocity of the particle. In general, the group velocity can be defined as d omega by dk. This is the definition for the group velocity. This is a formula, given formula. Now what we want to do, so maybe we can make the bracket for this formula. Now what we want to do, we want to take the derivative of the given dispersion relation. So for that we need to take the derivative left hand side, right hand side, both of them with respect to k. So if you are taking the derivative with respect to k, maybe I can solve it here. D by dk left hand side of omega cube. So this is the way we got to do for the derivative. Then right hand side d by dk. If you are taking the derivative left hand side, then right hand side also you need to take the same derivative. So a k square plus c. So this is the right hand side derivative. If you are taking the derivative with in the left hand side, it will give, first we need to take the power 3 omega square, then it's with respect to k. So d omega by dk. This is a left hand side derivative. First we did the power, then the d omega by dk, that function. Now if a is a constant, you can take it outside. If dk is acting on k square, it will give 2k. This is a derivative with respect to k, because the function k as well as the derivative factor are both of them are k, so it's only 2k. If you are taking the derivative of the constant, c is a constant, it will be 0. The d omega by dk we have defined, it's a group velocity. So you can define it's a group velocity, that would be equal to here 2, maybe you can write a k. The multiplication factor, if you are pushing to the other side, it goes to the denominator. So 3 omega square. So this is the group velocity of the wave. At this velocity, it will carry the energy. So this is the energy propagation speed. So in the given option, there are 4 options given. It will be the second one. No, it's not second one. The first one is right, is 2ak 3 omega square. So this would be the right answer.